One of the things I never considered about the Grand Canyon is that there's like parking lots. See? I always thought you just like drive up to the edge and there's like a guardrail, but I guess not. There's like parking lots.
Are we there yet?
So this is supposed to be a 10-minute walk.
But with these guys, taking like 30 minutes.
We are at the Mather Point Overlook. Wow. It goes way out there.
This is how hard it is to get a picture with the dogs. It's almost impossible.
So you're gonna stay.
Okay. Okay.
No huerco. Come here. Sit. Sit. You'll see that there's a flat rock, and then there's a rock that seems to have fallen its diagonal. They used to both be flat on top, but because of erosion, one of them has already fallen. What are your initial impressions so far?
We've only been on the rim trail because this is one of the trails that is dog friendly. A lot of it has like a fence that you stand behind, but you do get really nice views. I think it's a good first look at the Grand Canyon for us since we've never been here.
It's a very touristy spot, but you can see it. You can appreciate. Hey, also been crying the whole time. Anyway, you can appreciate the majesty,
the
grandness of the Grand Canyon.
That point right there, sticking out over the edge. Sal wants me to stand over there. I'm already scared standing right here.
Like 20 feet away from the edge.
Baby steps forward. What do you guys think?
So scared. Okay.
We have a little sunset picnic here. Set up the blanket and then they sat down and they were happy. They love to sit on the blanket. Look at Oso.
It's finally happened. What? Getting to take a break from driving.
Oh, whatever. By choice. So I don't appreciate it.
I've done as much of it as I can because I know Christy isn't comfortable driving. But since we're going back to the Grand Canyon and she's seen the road and she's seen the highway heading out there, she's confident that she can do it, and so decided to take a break and acquiesce. What are you doing? Ah! You scared me! So
we didn't get any mugs yet. Like, we didn't get a mug in New Mexico. Or we haven't gotten one from here. Wow. Genuine gold from the Grand Canyon.
I think that might be fool's gold.
What if I crack it open? Do you think it's worth anything? And it's only $11.99.
We just made our first souvenir stop.
Yeah. I knew it was going to be hard to be in and out of there fast.
Yeah.
But I did my best.
Well, Christy had a good idea, which is we picked up some souvenirs just outside of the park.
Yeah, this was probably faster than doing the souvenir shop inside of the Grand Canyon.
They probably have all the same stuff anyway. So.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we've noticed anyway with souvenir shops. Do I look like a rabbit?
Yes. Good job, guys.
We seldom leave them in the car by themselves, but it's like 62 degrees outside and they're pretty tuckered out, so they're just like, whatever. You guys go do whatever you want. Day 2 at the Grandest Canyon.
We decided to come back. We drove a little further down the road and to see a different part of the rim trail where the dogs are allowed, and I think it was worth it.
Most people, when they come into the Grand Canyon for the first time, they'll come in through the south entrance, and they'll hit up the Grand Canyon Visitor Center. Now this is where Christy and I were at yesterday. So today we came in, we drove down a center road over here, and now we're over here. Whole different area, whole different view.
Yeah.
Really cool looking.
There is a nice ledge here, but if you have a big dog or a dog that likes to jump, watch out.
Also jumped up and it was scary.
Don't even play like that. I don't want to be. No, don't. It's too windy. It's too windy.
Whoa! Whoa! I think Christy's more worried about losing the GoPro than she is.
Like, I don't even want to go like near the edge. No, thank you.
I'm out here at the Lookout Studio. Christy's with the dogs. You can get a great view, so let's go down and take a look. It's pretty awesome out here. You can just, it just goes on for miles. It's nuts.
I'm on the edge.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Behind and below me is a trail. I don't know how far it goes. I don't know how far down it goes. I don't know how long it is. I don't know how hard it is. But one day we're gonna be back and we're gonna do it. Way over there. Back in the car, back in the car.
We ran to the car because it started sprinkling and it was getting chilly and the dogs were getting very cold and kind of scared and tired.
You even had to carry Josie. We are just finishing up here at the Grand Canyon. We're planning on heading out the east entrance, but before we do, we're gonna stop at all these little overlooks.
Yeah, they're like little pullovers off the road that you can just stop off real quick and get another view.
Dogs aren't allowed on a lot of these trails, but since the dogs are tuckered out right now, Christy and I are on the Grandview Trail. This is a trail you can take. You can actually camp overnight while walking down this trail. And it was built in like the late 1800s by the copper miners.
There it goes again. Hey, watch out there.
We needed these
That was scary.
and we made it back to the Airbnb alive.
We finished off at the Grandview lookout area, and out of nowhere my low tire pressure light comes on. I'm like, oh man, I really hope I don't have a flat tire. Fortunately, we have our little tire air pressure thing. Finally out of the park, we're going, and it's pitch black. It's pitch black on either side of us. You can barely
You just see
anything.
like really like dark shadows of mountains and hills on the
Yeah,
side.
and all you can see are on the side of the road that so you don't drive off the side of the road, is they have like these little white reflective markers.
Yeah, which were really helpful.
And then BAM! A wall of rain for like an hour, just pure rain and disastrous. Like, it was the worst. Would we recommend going through that road? Absolutely. Yeah.
So we recommend definitely try taking that road. It's a Desert View Road, and you enter through the east entrance of the Grand Canyon instead of the more popular south entrance.
Yeah, you're looking like Highway 64 and Highway, I think 80.
Yes,
is
so
what
it's
you're driving,
different.
yeah.
But I would say definitely try it either on your way into the Grand Canyon or on your way out. Just making sure you have enough time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, wherever those things are.
Yep, and we're barely halfway through the trip, so stay tuned for more. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers. Oh, it wasn't recording.
No?
You're kidding.